My name is Maydel Fernandez Alonso, and I'm from Cuba. I'm a PhD student in neuroscience based in Newcastle University in the UK, in the lab of Professor Jenny Reed. My research project is in depth perception in light field displays. Light field displays are a class of novel three-dimensional displays that can recreate realistic, volumetric images over a range of viewing positions. One of the most exciting advantages they could have over the stereo 3D displays we have today is that they can provide focus cues to the viewer. In a real scene, as we look at different objects, we need to focus the eyes to that distance to see a sharp image. On a conventional 3D display, this process doesn't happen, which causes discomfort and perceptual distortions. This is where new display technologies such as light field could have significant advantages in terms of realism and visual performance. To accomplish this, there are hardware and software limitations to be surpassed, but there are also limitations in our current understanding of how this process of refocusing or accommodation of the eye is triggered. This is where vision science can make significant contributions to the development of this technology, while also advancing our understanding of this basic visual mechanism. The first part of my research project has been centered around looking at the different factors that drive this process of accommodation in the human eye, and how can they be manipulated to change the response of the eye. We have looked in particular to one very important cue the eyes use called chromatic aberration. We have designed and run experiments with human participants where we present different stimuli and record the response of the eyes with an instrument that allows us to measure the power of the lens of the eye in real time. Our preliminary results show so far that indeed chromatic aberration triggers different responses in the accommodation of the eye, and that it seems to be an important cue for this process, in which case it could be a cue that's included in visual displays that aim to support focus cues, such as light field displays. With this research project, we aim to be able to understand better the process of accommodation of the human eye and hopefully provide data that could be relevant for the development of light field displays, as well for our understanding of the human visual system. Being a part of the ETN-FPI has been a great experience so far. It has given me access to training that is relevant for my research, as well as access to collaboration with other partners of the network that have the more technical knowledge about light field displays.